Hello everybody, today I'm gonna be playing a Shrek skateboarding game. What board should I pick? I wonder which board. This one, I guess? Haven't. No one told me the game's controls. Okay. For you didn't hear a thing. What I'm hearing Shrek yell. I don't even get it. I don't know, you guys don't hear this computer or anything, but I have to. But I'm hearing Shrek just yell over and over, whoa. Over and over. You guys are actually pretty lucky you don't have to hear this. I'm gonna pick this board, I guess, and have Shrek's evil laugh. Oh, that's a professional. Screw Tony Hawk's Pro Skater. We have a Shrek Professional Shrek Skater. Yeah, I'm not even sure. Like, I don't know what's going on. Like, I don't know anymore. Like, Shrek's happy every time I have him get ready. I don't know why is Shrek so happy that I'm just skateboarding? Choose your board. That's the one I just had a second ago? I didn't even know this was a game. But now I do. And I don't regret it. A Shrek skateboarding game is just what I needed in my life. Yes, this is what I needed. This is what you need. This is really fun. But I don't even... What? I guess... What? What's going on? Like, I don't even know what has happened. What? He does a handstand. Oh my god. I can do handstands? If I knew I could do handstands, I would probably be doing those earlier. You see that, guys? I'm a Shrek Skater Pro. And that as well. This is Oh, see how many points you can get before that timer goes. And get... Oh, so it's like you have a minute to do as much tricks as possible. Grandmaster. I don't know what's worse, the fact that this is an actual Shrek game. Like, it's licensed and stuff. I'm just gonna play Shrek games, actually. Let's Shrek and Slide. Another Shrek game. You failed. You failed. Oh, yeah, just no. No, not this game, actually. B-movie. Yeah, you know, just let's play Shrek and B-movie games. And the title of this video is just gonna be playing Shrek and B-movie games. Oh my god. What does he want? Oh, no. Be very happy. B. Oh no, I'm out of honey. It's hard to be a good speller. It's hard to. Yeah, this is a bit hard. There's obvious letters that will be in there, like S, T, and A. Show me the honey. Show me the honey. I'm assuming B. The game is kind of rigged. Honey-o-meter. Be cool. Popular expression similar to chill out. Be cool. Have you ever said be cool to a friend? No. Yeah, because that's what everyone says to a friend. Be cool. Then they get destroyed because they made a bee pun. No. This is a game about the Bee Movie. The problem of that game, though, is that it's awful. Awful. No. I don't want to play another one. So I'm out of here, everybody. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.